的听众、各位同学们，大家好。我是合勤基金会的活动企划 Amber。那非常高兴，我们今天合勤基金会有机会参与由交大管理学院主办的经营讲座。那合勤基金会呢，就是长期关注创新创业，所以我们希望透过举办创新讲座以及支援校园的创新活动，来鼓励大家可以跳脱框架，大胆创新。所以呢，就是今天我们就跟交大管院一起参与举办这场讲座。那先问大家一个小小的问题，就是现在大家出门旅行，出门玩的时候，大家是会订饭店呢，还是透过 Airbnb 来订你想要的住宿空间？对，现在一定大家有很多相关的体验。那 Airbnb 大概是现在时下最夯的一个住宿平台，那它提供了我们就是非常有趣的住宿经验，那也同时创造了一个空间分享再利用的新的商业模式。所以呢，我们今天非常荣幸的邀请到 Airbnb 台湾、香港暨东南亚区的总经理 Robin 来跟我们分享。那在正式开始之前呢，交大管理学院的同学们非常用心的制作了一段 PPT， 要来做引言介绍。那让我们用热烈的掌声欢迎他们。
Good morning, everyone. Sorry. Good evening, everyone. Okay, thank you. Today, feel honorable local invite to famous guest speaker, Robin Kwok. I believe that everyone must know what the Airbnb is about. It is an online community marketplace that was founded in 2008 and based in San Francisco, California. Airbnb connects people who are looking to rent their home and people who are looking for their accommodation. But everyone must ask about what is the abbreviation of Airbnb. The answer is airbed and breakfast. That sounds quite interesting. And this picture shows Airbnb's logo. Every logo has its own meaning. It includes 4 elements. A is for Airbnb. The other 3 includes people, places, and love. Robin Kwok is an American-born Chinese who serves as Airbnb's country managers in Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Before that, she has become head of business operations and strategy in APAC. She graduated from Columbia University, UC Berkeley, and Purdue University, and she majored in electrical and computer engineering. This is the end of my rough introduction. Thank you.